In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up a video in Adobe Express. First of all, head over to Adobe Express. Once you are here to add a video, click on the Add option on the left side of your screen. After that, click on Upload and you will be able to upload any media from here. I am going to use a video from the stock footage available in Adobe Express. Once you have your video in your project, click on it and you will see several options on the left side of your screen. Make sure you are in the Edit section. Once you are here, you will see the Speed option. As you can see, my video is currently 9 seconds long. If I speed up this video slightly, the duration will decrease accordingly, and when I play it, the video will be at a higher speed. Now, if I increase the speed to the maximum level and play the video, you can see that it is playing much faster. If you want to speed up only a specific part of a video, here's how you can do that. First, if you don't see your timeline already, click on the Edit Timeline option at the bottom right-hand side of your screen. Once you do that, you will be able to see the full timeline of your video. Now, move the playhead to the point where you want to create a separation between the fast part and the slower part. After that, select your video and press S on your keyboard. This will split your video into 2 separate parts. Now, select the part of the video you want to speed up and adjust the speed from the left side of your screen under the speed option. Once you have made the changes, play the video. You will see that the first part is now faster while the second part remains at its original speed. Once you've made all the adjustments, you can download the video. To do this, click on the Download option at the upper right-hand side of your screen. Once it finishes, your sped-up video will be saved to your device. And this is how you can speed up a video in Adobe Express.